Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make two types of Halloween slime. The first one is going to be Frankenstein's puke and the second one is going to be vampire's blood. If you want to find out how I did it, please keep on watching. To start off, the first thing you'll need is glue, and you're going to pour it into a container with some warm water. Make sure it's a 1-to-1 ratio. And then you're going to stir it all up. Then you're going to add in some green paint, and make sure you stir it until it gets really green. And finally, I added my activator. In my case, I used borax with water. Keep adding your activator until you achieve the right consistency. And you're all done. You just made Frankenstein's puke slime. So the next slime we're going to make is vampire's blood. Just follow the same steps I did with the first slime. The only difference is the color. In this case, we will be using red. Also, the other ingredient that you will be using is blood. Well, fake blood, which I got from the dollar store. And it just makes your slime look more realistic. And you're done. You just achieved making vampire's blood slime.
It's the squishy girls.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram.